Larry, stop playing with your noodle. You're gonna go blind. How about just until I need glasses? Is that all right? Dad, I'm over here, Dad. Oh, did I really say that shit out loud? Anywho, got started on this. Boy, if this isn't gonna take a while, but it works. See, I'm just splitting them in half and using zip ties to hold them on. But I have that box over there plus another box in the house. Oh, and 1,000 zip ties. Anybody need zip ties? I'll probably have some to spare. Just let me know in the comments if you need any. But yeah, I got about 260 feet of pool noodles to put up. I asked a friend last night if they were going to start a betting pool to see if I fall off the ladder again. He didn't say yes or no. He just had a kind of panicked look in his face. Like, what? Huh? But yeah, I got... Let's see. There's 5 of these ribs horizontally, 51 feet long. And I got 260 feet of noodles. So, yep, this is going to take a while, but has to be done. And it'll save that poly from coming in contact with the PVC and rotting. As for my other plan that I mentioned in the last video, instead of doing flood and drain beds, I'm going to do continuous flow media beds right here. Earlier this week, I think it was Tuesday, I was on a Zoom call with Rob Bob for probably an hour and 45 minutes, I guess. And we discussed all kinds of things, and I was going to do the flood and drain, but I'm just going, you know, I'd have to buy another sump to put down there under it because my sump that's in the ground here is only a 75-gallon stock tank. I'd have to put another one down there under the beds and let it cycle through there, and then if it ever overflows, it would just come back here and then continuously pump back that direction. It just seems like a lot of headache, so I'm going to do continuous flow media beds. But I got my 4x4s. They're pressure treated. I'm used to seeing green ones, but Home Depot sells these in, I don't know, they have like a red dye on them, but you can see there is some green in there, so I'm guessing they're just staining the things. So I got to build a rack to set those 2 IBC tank tops on top of down here, and then buy I don't know how many bags of hydrogen, but it'll be a few. That isn't I think I can get a 50-liter bag for $42. And it's going to take quite a few of those to fill up 2 IBC tank tops. But hey, you know, it'll provide extra filtration. It's not exactly like I need a lot of filtration, because, I mean, this water, just using that bead filter right there, this water's really clear. I mean, you can see all the way down to the bottom where that 2-foot-long Placo is. You ever seen one get that big? Goddamn thing, his head is as big as my fist. So after I get all the noodles put up, after I get done playing with my noodles, if I'm not 100% blind, because I'm already 50% blind right now, but if I'm not 100% blind, I'll get started on the flood and drain, or not flood and drain, the continuous flow media beds. And we'll provide a little extra filtration. But just figured I'd shoot a quick little less than 5-minute video, because it seems like people's attention span doesn't seem to go much further beyond 4 minutes. I don't get it, but that's it. Oh, yeah, another thing. I added a whole bunch of solar-powered motion detector lights out here. It's kind of funny when the big overhead lights turn off at 9 p.m. This is what I use, even though I could manually turn these on with the greenhouse computer. But it's funny, you walk through the greenhouse and these lights follow you from one end to the other. It's funny. But I got those down here on this end, and identical pair down there on that end, and then those up on top. But it's just kind of funny, you walk through the greenhouse and the lights follow you. It's like a video game or a pinball machine or something. But that's all I got. Until next time, I'll let you know if I fell off the ladder. So if you're going to start a betting pool, I would start gathering people now and selling spots. That's all. Bye.